Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 11, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 11, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result. Ngayong Friday, October 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 11, 2024, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, October 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for October 11, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.